This video explains the door adjustment on a 3D door hinge. On each single door there will be 3 door hinges exactly the same, one located at the top, one in the middle which I'm pointing to, and one at the bottom, each with 5 individual holes. So for the case of the video we will number them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 3 is not used in any way. 1, 2, 4 and 5 are all the adjusting screws. To adjust the height on a 3D door hinge, you need to loosen off 2 and 4 on every hinge, top, middle and bottom. This allows the door to its lowest point on the door adjustment height. To raise the door needs to be manually lifted, and then 2 and 4 need to be locked off again. This line in the middle of the door shows the door now at its maximum height adjustment. To throw the door to the lock side or the hinge side on a 3D hinge, you must use 1 and 5. Turning anti-clockwise or clockwise, whichever way is needed to go. After adjusting hinges 1, 2 and 3, either left or right, the door has now got an even 4 to 6 mil gap down the locking side. The third part of the adjustment on the 3D hinge adjusts the gasket compression by using 2 and 4 on each individual hinge again. By undoing 2 and 4 on each individual hinge, we can adjust the gasket compression like so.